Making your first $10,000 online can feel like a distant dream, especially with so many get-rich-quick schemes floating around. But in 2025, the digital world has evolved to offer real opportunity for anyone willing to learn, experiment, and take consistent action. In this video, we are going to talk about how to make your first $10,000 online in 2025. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. 1. Freelancing and service-based work. One of the fastest ways to make your first $10,000 online is by offering your skills as a freelancer. The demand for high-quality services in writing, graphic design, video editing, web development, digital marketing, and AI-assisted services has skyrocketed in 2025. Clients are constantly looking for experts who can save them time and help them achieve tangible results. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer remain popular, but there's also a growing number of niche platforms where you can charge premium rates for specialized skills. The key to success in freelancing is positioning yourself as a professional with clear value. Start by identifying your strengths and creating a portfolio, even if it's small. If you're new, consider offering discounted rates for your first few clients to build credibility and reviews. Once you have positive testimonials, you can increase your rate significantly. Another advantage of freelancing is its scalability. As your reputation grows, you can start taking on larger projects or even outsourcing work to build a small team, multiplying your income potential. Freelancing also teaches important skills like client communication, project management, and marketing yourself. Even if you eventually move into selling products or building a business, the income and experience from freelancing can fund your growth and give you confidence in the online space. For anyone starting out, it's one of the most direct and reliable paths to your first $10,000. 2. Selling digital products. Creating and selling digital products is another powerful way to generate online income. Digital products include ebooks, online courses, templates, printables, software, or even AI tools. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and they can continue to sell repeatedly without the need for physical inventory or shipping. In 2025, AI tools like ChatGPT and Gemini Pro make it easier than ever to create high-quality digital content quickly, whether it's educational, entertaining, or problem-solving. To get started, identify a niche where people are actively looking for solutions. For example, many people are willing to pay for guides on improving productivity, mastering social media marketing, or learning AI tools. Once you have an idea, create your product with a focus on quality and usability. Hosting platforms like Gumroad, Ko-fi, and Teachable simplify the process of selling digital products online. Marketing is crucial. Leverage social media, email lists, and AI-powered ads to reach your target audience efficiently. Digital products have immense potential because they allow you to scale without trading time for money. While the initial creation may take effort, a single successful product can bring in thousands of dollars. You can also bundle products, offer upsells, and create recurring revenue streams, all of which accelerate your path to $10,000 and beyond. The combination of low overhead, scalability, and high demand makes digital products one of the best long-term online income strategies. 3. Online courses. Creating and selling online courses is one of the most powerful ways to earn money online in 2025. With more people seeking to upskill, learn new hobbies, or master professional skills, demand for high-quality courses has skyrocketed. The first step is identifying a topic you are knowledgeable about and that solves a real problem for your audience. This could be anything from learning AI tools, social media marketing, coding, photography, fitness, personal finance, or even creative hobbies like painting or music. The more specific your niche, the easier it is to attract a motivated audience willing to pay for your expertise. Once you choose your topic, focus on creating a course that provides real value. Break your content into digestible modules or lessons, use clear video and audio, and include actionable steps so your student can achieve tangible results. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, Gumroad, or even your own website make hosting and selling courses simple, while AI tools can help you create slides, scripts, and even automated quizzes to enhance learning. High-quality content combined with practical results will make your course stand out from the competition. Marketing is key to reaching your first $10,000. Use social media, email lists, and content marketing to share valuable tips, previews, or mini tutorials that attract your target audience. Affiliate marketing can also help by letting others promote your cause for a commission. Early testimonials and success stories from students can boost credibility and increase sales. Pricing strategies matter too. Start with a reasonable price to gain initial traction and increase as your reputation grows. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another avenue to make your first $10,000 online, especially if you enjoy content creation and building communities. In affiliate marketing, you promote someone else's products and earn a commission for each sale or lead generated through your unique referral link. This model is highly effective because you don't need to create your own products or handle customer service, yet you can earn substantial commissions if done correctly. The first step in affiliate marketing is choosing the right niche. Look for products that are high quality, have a proven track record, and pay competitive commissions. Popular platforms for finding affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareSale, but many companies now run their own programs with attractive incentives. Next, focus on building a platform where your audience can discover your recommendations. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, social media account, or even a dedicated newsletter. The key to successful affiliate marketing in 2025 is trust. People are more likely to buy from someone they see as an authority or genuinely helpful. Content that educates, entertains, or solves problems works best. For example, product reviews, tutorials, comparison guides, and personal success stories can drive conversions effectively. With consistency and the right promotional strategies, affiliate marketing can become a steady income stream, easily bringing in your first $10,000 and setting the stage for scaling to $50,000 or more. 5. Vlogging. Vlogging is one of the fastest and most exciting ways to make money online in 2025. With platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and emerging AI-driven apps, video content is in higher demand than ever. The key to success is finding a niche you are passionate about and creating content that your audience finds entertaining, informative, or relatable. Whether you love travel, tech, lifestyle, fitness, or daily life stories, your unique perspective is what will attract viewers and keep them coming back. The first step is choosing the right niche and focusing on creating consistent, high-quality videos. In 2025, audiences expect engaging content, good lighting, clear audio, and a strong hook in the first few seconds. Consistency is crucial. Uploading regularly builds trust and helps the platform algorithms recommend your videos to more viewers. You don't need expensive gear. Smartphones, free editing tools, and AI-based enhancements can make your content look professional and appealing. Once your channel starts growing, monetization becomes the next focus. Ad revenue from platforms like YouTube is the simplest way to earn, while sponsorship from brands can provide higher payouts. Smaller channels can still attract partnerships if they have an engaged audience, so focus on quality over quantity. Affiliate marketing also works well for vloggers. Promoting product or services you genuinely use can earn you commissions while adding value to your viewers. Tutorials, reviews, and recommendations convert best. I hope you enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.